Alright, so this is just a very quick tutorial on how to open and disassemble the faceplate of any Becker Classic, which this one is, Special or Exquisit. They've all been built in pretty much the same way. So I'll be demoing this on a BE 2010. What you need to do is get a flathead screwdriver or some kind of a pry tool and start around the screws. The back is usually not screwed in place, it's just popped in. And so you'll want to just jimmy it open like so, and then it pulls forward a tiny bit. In some cases it's going to be stiffer, in some cases it's going to be a bit softer. Then you want to come in with a T8 bit. Right, and there's 3 screws you want to undo. There's 2 on the side, on the top side, and you want to remove those completely. Also, incidentally, all the screws in these are exactly the same, so there's absolutely no way you can fuck that up. Then you want to remove this one. Again, if you just want to remove the faceplate, it's enough to loosen it. If you want to disassemble the complete radio, you'll have to take this one and these 3 off completely. And then the motherboard is going to come out with the heatsink. Do not try to disconnect them because they're usually soldered together with some bent pins. You don't want to go there. There's really little reason why you'd want to do that, so only do it if you really need to. Anyway, so at this point, the edges of the radio are going to be a bit loose, so you want to pull those outward, and you heard mine pop. And at that point, the faceplate is loose. It's held in by these 2 clips. And again, this should apply more or less to all models. So whilst exerting an outward pressure, just press this forward a bit so it clears those clips. And now it has some clips on the bottom, which you can push out individually if you want. I just want to, like, once it's bent, I want to pull it up and away. And in this area, you're going to have the connector to the motherboard, so that's going to provide a bit more resistance, but should not be too complicated. So I'm pressing it towards the camera. Just watch your face. This might ping off. All right, and we have it. And then they have some, like, the only different screws are these, and then you can work on your buttons and stuff. All right.